1, 2, 3, go. Hello everyone! My name is Mama. Welcome to the world of Mama today! And my name is Dan. And my name is Stewie. What are we doing today, Mother?
今日はなんだっけ
But yes. あれ
あれ
なんか
あれ本当はこれ取れるんだよね
カポ
せーの
What are we doing today, Mother? Today, we are going to... 大丈夫ですか? So, Japan, especially Tokyo, is very known to have a very fast-paced life, and not everyone has the time to be cooking every single day. So, Japan is actually very, very well known to have a lot of delicious microwavable frozen foods. So, today, we decided to try almost all of them, basically. But yes, today we are going to go to convenience stores and supermarkets to try out a lot of frozen microwavable foods. And one of the main reasons this is a huge thing is because bento culture is really big here, and all of the parents who work need to make bento really quickly, so they just use these frozen microwavable foods to put in the bentos and give it to their children who they don't care about that much. Anyway, let's go! Okay, so we made it back. We've microwaved every single thing, and by we, I mean Stewie did it because he's our little mouse. Okay, so I'm really excited to try all of these. ¿Dónde gotta start though? Salad first. Exactly. You almost got tricked.
ちょ
鳥から
何それ
ついてる。
これ説明しなきゃ。これは何これ
Okay, so we have spinach. We also have the renkong and gobo. So this I think would be like the roots. And this one is called hijiki salad. So hijiki salad, you guys remember hijiki salad from a couple of videos ago? My mom didn't feed us breakfast today.
違うよ作ったじゃん
作ったかDoes it taste like real vegetables? In terms of real vegetables, like not microwaved wise, I would rate it like a 6 or 7. A 6 or 7 out of 10. It's a little bit soggy. You can tell it's microwaved.
そう
Wait, there are little... そうでもないな. It's a 10 out of 10.
そうだよしかもさほらあんまりしょっぱくない健康にほら
Wow, it's low sodium. There are little messages at the bottom of the cups. Really? みんな違っていい. Oh my god, embrace your differences. What? Japan saying that? Shut the hell up, you performative, you're fake.
努力はきっと報われる
Work hard and it'll pay off.
自分を信じよう
Believe in yourself.
自分の力を信じて
Believe in your strength. What is this nursery rhyme bullshit?
I think they did this because like moms put this in kids' bentos a lot, so like the
Next on the course meal, we have our pasta. Okay. So, for our pasta, we have yakisoba.
sausage. Yes. Napolitan spaghetti. Okay.
So, I bet the yakisoba is way more delicious than the spaghetti. This is what the yakisoba looks like. This is the best yakisoba I've ever had. It's better than Mama's yakisoba.
もう二度と作んなよ。美味しいね。これは。
10 out of 10.
Oh my god, this one has a message at the bottom too. Look. S-H-I-T. She got tricked. I wrote it with the sauce. It says shit. And she said, whoa. Whoa.
じゃん。じゃん。
Also, Stewie likes to pretend that my hair is inspired by him. He thinks it's his influence that I got a perm. Shut up.
Yes, it is. I am the original. I am the boom boom gun.
Our next carbohydrate is yaki onigiri. Yaki onigiri, yaki onigiri, yaki onigiri. Wait! Spaghetti 10 out of 10, yakisoba 10 out of 10. This is honestly like gourmet meal level. Like this does not taste like frozen food because how about your country's frozen food, you guys? I bet it's not as good as Japan's. Ooh, I ate. Wait! Smell? It's shiso.
あ、本当だ。
Oh
しそ
no,
う
Wait.
it's shiso.
なんで嫌いなの？
I like that.
You're lying like oba, like shiso. You like shiso?
Oba ってどういう味だっけ?
美味しい。美味しいよ。
You know what that tastes though?
美味しい。
I love it.
これとおにぎりと鮭合うこれ。サーモン。
Next on the list, salmon.
Salmon.
I think it's boneless because this is for bentos and children might choke. Yeah, so.
Oh yeah, it's boneless. Okay.
なんだこれ美味しい。こうやってさ。何よ。
美味しいよ。
美味しいわ。
Tastes really
これ
good.
私の。もっとこれなんかちょっと。
It's also like a lot of the things say low sodium because I think the idea of microwavable frozen foods is it has a lot of salt because it's preserved, but they're trying their best not to have a lot of preservation.
次どれ？これいく？
Next, let's try the Hamburg steak. This might be the best Hamburg steak I've ever had.
何にも悪いもの入ってない。
Oh my god!
No food coloring, no preservatives, and no scientific chomedio.
And no disappointment.
Wow.
止まって！ストップ！ここほら、またさっきと同じ。ああ！ねえ、すごくないこれ。ほら、皆さん。
So this one is also free of food coloring, preservatives, chemical seasonings,
And regrets.
and regrets.
なんか中に何入ってるの？チーズ？
Oh my god, it's like buttery.
You guys,
なんか入ってる。
it's medium rare. The inside is really like wet. It's almost raw.
100点！
Next on the list, you guys. Oh my god. This was genuinely the one I was the most excited for. But when we opened it, why? Stewie said it's almost like you found it in the sand outside. Let's eat.
なんだ。
Wait, what the fuck?
なんだ。
What the fuck is this?
なんか辛いね。
うん。
I know the problem. Too much black pepper.
Um,
And I think they're trying to preserve it with the black pepper.
これは買わない方がいい。
yeah, don't buy that.
But we actually also have dessert, you guys. Look at these kabutomushi.
デザートタイム
Dessert time.
They literally took sweet potatoes
Fuck.
and just like reshaped it.
They
They
did?
used a mold. Yeah, look at that. It's almost like mashed potatoes, the texture.
Oh.
Okay, いただきます。
Nendo mitai. Okay, let me try it.
これやばいな
幸せ。
これ美味しい
We need to buy this.
やめて
Something I do have to say though, there's a lot of waste. So much plastic. The packaging is just so like unnecessarily plasticky.
やばいやばい俺
Yeah, look at all the
this
trays.
is insane. This is crazy. Anyway, you guys, the sweet potatoes were my favorite one. Those ones are definitely 20 out of 10.
70 billion out of 1.
100点
What's your favorite?
おにぎり
Really? The onigiri was 8 out of 10.
9.8.
You're lying, it's 8 out of 10.
これ1番
Really?
1番
You're crazy.
1番ではないかな。
これ2番
1番.
1番. Wait, this is like a good
違う
contender.
これだ鮭だ
2番. Top 1, sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
Top 2, hamburg.
Spag-
And then spaghetti. And then, honestly, the fish.
The fish was really good.
Yeah, and then the egg. And then the onigiri.
And then
Vegetables.
And then
that's it.
not
Guys, we would recommend these.
じゃあ皆さん買ってみてください野菜おにぎり卵鮭スパゲッティハンバーグスイートポテト That's all 今日も皆さん見てくれてどうもありがとうね
Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, please turn on the notification bell. If you guys want to follow us on our daily life, please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, at worldofextra. Please follow her at worldofmama_, and please follow him at
SCW.XP.
This week's shout out goes to Thank you so much for always loving and supporting everything we do. If you guys want to shout out on the next video, please leave an onigiri emoji. We'll see you guys again on our next video next week. Bye!
タラタラタランタタタタって感じ一緒にやってよ
もうそれでいいよ
一緒
それでいいじゃ
に